kata, no Bo Sho, right? Cross, point, keep your hands centered. The staff will cross your center, your hand will not. Step, make sure your body stays square and your feet in a good stance. Weapons katas are where stances go to die. Punch, hands still centered. Shuffle back or shuffle forwards. As you do that, I'm going to do that one more time. As you do that, you're moving forwards, the weapon stays still in the air. As you plant your feet, the weapon comes forwards. One more time. It's a smooth motion. I step back. I cut through my center, 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 point, pop the top, come back here, punch. One more time. I've stepped back. This hand goes to my hip, then to my shoulder, then to my center, then to my elbow, shoulder, center with the other hand at the hip, hip with the other hand at the center, shoulder, pop the top, all right? Come back here, punch. Guard position, this hand, elbow touches side. This hand, middle block position, just turned around. The weapon will be angled down and sideways. Pivot on front foot, bring my feet together, repeat the process here. Pivot the front foot. Always, always, always the right leg steps in this kata. Through the center point, top, here. This back leg, the right leg, takes a big step. We reorient ourselves forwards. We've just done a change body. I hit the knee, strike over, scoop sand. It could be different applications, but that's how we remember what to do. As we scoop the sand, we roll on this side, unroll, keeping this hand rolled on top. We don't want it to fly out from the thumb. We want to keep our hand behind it. Guard position, feet together, point, step, punch, shuffle, stab. Feet together, bow. Very repetitive kata, very simple kata, doesn't make it easy. Practice hard.